one of two. Oh, there we go. Give me a sec, I lost my stuff. I updated to Windows 11 and I'm missing some stream stuff. Okay. I think it's this. Not exactly sure if that's set up. Let me try. Hold up. How did I do that earlier? I see, okay. How about... what does that look like? Can't tell. That's not centered. No shot that's centered. How do I center it? Oh, I see. Hold up. That's close enough. Yeah, I lost some stuff. How do I simulate? I forget. I literally just did it, and now I don't know how. So hypothetically, yeah, there we go. Okay, everything's almost okay. I'm missing my chat though, which was this one. Interesting. I guess I didn't save or something. There we go. Oh, it just automatically started. Okay. All right, we can finally get started. So I need to do this, and then do that, I do this. Simple enough, right? Update. So I want to do this first. So we have this crazy thing, and then we also have, what's it? Oh, thank you, Hasted, for the sub. This will change my life.
I think it's an old sub, actually.
It is?
I don't know why it popped up now.
Oh, maybe just catch the sub.
Share, I don't know.
What do I need? It's hero registry. How's the audio, by the way? I had to like reset all my settings because I updated to Windows 11. It's a handler. Awesome. So thinking of getting rid of this. So it's used by this. Hero interface. Is this used? I think this is used. And I know why this is happening now. So if we do, what is it? By controlled entity registry. And blah blah blah. Super speed. So instead of doing this, well, let's just do both for now. Register as controlled. Controller ID hero.string is our entity ID. So I guess I want to look at is controlled here. Okay, it's not technically used. Hero registry. So wait, that's not used. It looks like. So do we use any of these? If not, I'm deleting this whole thing and it's gonna feel so good. I wonder if this works. There we go. And the music has stopped. It's all ogre. Oh, it says it's loading or something. Weird. Hold up. Error. Nah. Why? Download. Give me a sec here. Oh, I should check if that chat's working too. Okay. I got that done. So if I go here, not there. This thing's kind of broken. There we go. So if I just delete this, what happens? This is in services registry. Is this used? Thought this was used. We've got this. I'm concerned that this is actually used. I thought this was used for more than this. Let me look at this, I guess. I see, okay. Yeah, my chat thing doesn't seem to be working for some reason. Let me quick try to figure that out. Actually, I want to go to this link. It's a little bit confusing. Ah, there we go. See, it's working there, but it's not working here. Headless client? That doesn't make sense to me. Normally you'd want a headless server. Hold up, the chat's working, but it's not showing up, and I don't know why. Okay, I'm over it. No chat today. I'll get it working next time, probably. And the music's also giving me issues. Let me. Oh, there we go. So, I want to get rid of. This is probably used, right? Register heroes. Okay. Should be a register. Yeah, this is fine. But how does that register? Okay, that makes sense. So right now I'm kind of conflicted because we have this and then we also have that last one. So we have this here registry as well as this controlled entity registry is more generic. Where's this used? Using this handler. Should I changed? I didn't change this, so. So this is used here. Register all game objects. Is this used? Yes. So it seems like they're both used and I don't know the difference, even though I made both of them. This one is used by... This is for like loading. So yeah, loading this is way better. So I kind of want to use this instead. Where's this used? Mobile party control handler. Seems to be used here. So what I can do, I think, I want to compare it to mobile party, I guess. So, if I go back to hero. Hero registry. So here I want to look at the mobile party one. This one. So this one here, what does this do? It is really taking its time. actually. So where's this used again? It's used in register all game objects handler. I thought these were used elsewhere too. It's like oh, I think I know. Hold up. It's in here. What? That was more than this. Oh, I see how this works. Okay. So from what I'm seeing here, where is it? Mobile party. Registry. Register party. Register all parties. Okay. I don't think this is needed. Oh, it is. Okay. So we do need the hero registry, but I can like strip this down quite a bit. So I don't need any of this here. Try get controlled, register all heroes. So we have register new object, which is fine. So I think, so what does mobile party have? Register remove. I think I want these. Register all and then that. But instead of party hero, I can probably make this way more generic, but let's do this for now. And then what we do here is remove all of this. Except the bottom one. And then we do... what is it? Wait, what? Register and remove. Super easy? So we want this, I guess. Register. Remove should. This can actually be like shorthanded to this. Same here. And then we can reorder this to be a bit more clean. Then these aren't used. This shouldn't be used. Actually, I want this top one though. Do I even want this? Is mobile party used? So is this one used here? It is not used at all. So get rid of. Alright, so this is used apparently. Buy. Makes sense. So if we go back here. It's the same as this, right? Yeah. We can make this way more generic. But that's just a refactoring thing. That's kind of what I'm doing. Well, there's one way we thought we were going to do it, but no, there's a more better way, which is located. So yeah, we have this. I don't think this happens on the server at all. Right? Client character creation state. Okay. So on the server side, network player data. Wherever this sends, we also want to do the same thing. So that's actually not too terrible. We also want the clan, I think. Oh, we could just pass this down. No, we can't do that. So wherever this is. Here, okay. I don't really like putting this functionality here. I'm gonna split this into its own service, I think. Let's have controller ID. So it's here as well. Best way to do this. Okay, I see. So this gets thrown down to here. Unpack hero. And then it's registered here. This goes away. And this should save more correctly, I think. Okay. Unpack hero. Except we want to have a bit more control here. So we want hero, we want party, we want clan. Party belong to clan. And then where's this used again? So there's one other place where this needs to be added. Hero interface. Is it this one? So do we need this? I think for now this is fine. We want to move all this stuff into like their kind of own place to make it easier to update. So like, yeah, here it's kind of all over the place, which I don't like. This functionality might be needed. I don't think we want to do this either. So yeah, updating it from the client, I don't think we want to do. Could make extensions for each one. It's not super expandable though. See you later, J Black. Okay, so what I want to test is specifically mobile party AI patches, party decision making. No, not this. This one. I don't think it's this one either. We're looking for patches. This one here. So instead of hero registry, I control entity registry. And then what we do is this is controlled. We're gonna need a second thing here, which is, what is it? I controlled ID provider. Is controlled. What do we have? Dot is controlled by. I feel like we have a better function for this. Yeah, Flessin, I saw your message on the YouTube comments. Somehow. Sure has controlled. Try, yeah, control. Good control. guess we want this, which is fine. It's controlled by, and then what we do is this. Wait, how does this work? Entity ID. Okay. So we have mobile party, I think. ID provider. Thanks for the sub, Jamoose the Moose. What is it? Controller ID. Dot string ID. What I can do is make this into a extension method. Let's add some logging here, just for debug purposes. Logger, which isn't in here. Private static. logger. Log manager dot get log. Type is this type. Clean up the imports. Logger dot debug, I guess. Error. Unable to resolve. Same thing here. Oh, awesome, I just noticed. What's up? It's been a busy year for me too. Let's see if this works. Instead, yeah, we use this, right? So we have this. Controller ID. Oh, this might be an issue. Resolved hero. Oh, I kind of see how this works. Is this used? This is very much used. Oh god. Okay, I see how we can fix this. Wait, one sec. Plus, and what do you mean? Oh, man. So I guess we did use that stuff. The issue with that is, what's the easiest way to do this? Okay. So instead of hero interface, I guess we could put it in here. Switch main hero, right? So I want both of these. Entity registry. It's not enough information in here to actually get it. So we can get all of the entities. Oh, I can actually... One ID, entity ID, okay. Oh, what I could do. How do I do this? Do it like this, I guess. So I want wherever this is failing. Try get controlled entity. Oh, I see. Okay, I need to expand this a little bit. Okay, just return this. Return. Actually, we need a bit more. Issue with this. Oh, I see. And then, so with this entities object, entities dot single for default. Entity ID dot starts with hero interface. I hate how this looks. Oh, not that. Hero. Is it not in here? What's going on with this too? Oh, this is what I was working on. Get rid of this. It's not hero interface. What is it? Swap hero, I think is what it's called. It's in hero registry. Can I do try? Whatever. No hero was registered for. What's the issue with this? To string are solved and T. Then we can do hero ID is equal to result entity dot entity ID and then return true. This is C#. Flussin, right now it's kind of hard to set up the server, which we will definitely fix in the future, but now that's a question. Do I think I could program Fortnite? Honestly, probably not. Well, I could. Yeah, I could do like programming for it, but like anything graphics related, kind of above me. But that's on an Unreal, so I think this should work. Let me run through it quick. So we set this a null because if we return without this being set, it doesn't like it. Then we try to get the controlled entities of this controller. Then if we can't resolve that, we will log that we can't and then return false because it's failed. We then try to get an entity which ID starts with this. And then if we find that, there should only be one. If there's more than one or 0, it will be null. If it is null, we let it know that there's an issue and then return false because it failed. And then if it found just one, we set this to the actual ID and then we return true. Any errors? It's working. Now how do I delete that chat? There we go. Should probably watch the output here. Actually want to join. So I join here. Do stuff, do stuff. Can I do this? So it looks like this isn't even used. Okay. So this is used here. Wait, what? No, wait. Oh, I think I just put the breakpoint before. Probably okay. So now, does this work? Oh my god, it works. But it pauses the game. Where are you going, sir? Kind of weird that it teleports me. Wait, is this on the client? This is... Oh, that's not good. Party leaves settlements. Okay. It's under parties. This one. Party leaves settlement. What happens? Oh, I see. Don't care too much about that. Care about the patch though. Where are the patches? Party leave settlement patch. Extensions. Add new item. Party extensions. This will be party controlled. I don't know. Public static is party controlled. Bool. This mobile party. And then what we need to do is it the same as this? Private static logger ilogger. And log manager. There we go. Is this backwards though? I think it is. What's the issue? Oh, I don't want to do that. Get logger. I'm confused. What? Why not? I guess that kind of makes sense. Can I do without? I don't know. Mobile party, I guess. That'll be it. I can actually rename it to this. There we go. And then now, where did I get rid of that? Wow, it's all not what I want. Here, so if mobile party dot is controlled, perfect. Skip it. Skip this method if party is not controlled. And then we also want this in player. Oh, this one's fine. What I'm looking for is this one. Is allowed. Oh, I see. We also want to do this. Unable to resolve Euro for test client 1. Strange. Yeah, I need to do some thinking there. Okay, here we are. Thanks for the subflow. I feel like that audio is a little loud. Wait, I think that added to... How do I add that? Oh, alerts, here we go. It's on track 1, I see, okay. Percent? There we go. So what I'm looking for here is if I hit play and hit pause. Party leave settlement attempt. It keeps getting called and I don't know why. That is strange to me. Unless... Is this for sure the client calling that? Yeah, so the client's like sending basically all parties leaving the settlement. So something's wrong here, I guess? Step into this. Looking at here. Just like one of these not resolved or something. So that resolves. That resolves. Controller ID is test client 1. Let's look at entity registry, I guess. I guess I'm gonna look in here. Oh, I think this is backwards. So if it is controlled by, we want to return true. So all we want to do is return. Oh, not ret run. There we go. So I think it was inverted. And I'm almost positive I don't need this. Let me... Probably if they change the units. Depends how the mod works. It's unlikely to work directly with the mod though. Anything that like changes cosmetics is okay, but anything that changes functionality, likely not okay. So if I pause, we're good. I see. Still kind of a little bit jumpy. So what happens when I click and it teleports? The position is being updated to like what the true position of the party is. We could probably smooth that, but nah, not right now. So like when I click here on the server, I think the party's back here. So if I click, yeah. Oh, and I need to test if going into settlements works. Let's find out. Leave. Oh my god, it couldn't be better.
You fixed it?
Yeah. Let me make sure it's good on the server. Except for high speed on the server and not on the client, because pausing is still broken. What if I do this? Okay. That camera bug is still annoying. What to do? Next is fixing the time stuff. Right, this pauses time? Oh my god. I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, leaving the submit pauses time. Okay, so this is basically done. Leaving set pauses time. Weird camera. And then encyclopedia pauses time as well. Okay, so I don't need this. Awesome. Something I do want to do, but we can do that after we release this, is update entity history to be more easily modifiable. So now let me go to, God, I hate it when it does this. I can do this. So here, we need to. I should create a merge request for this as well. Or pull request, 1 second. Hey Sid, do you need like parties controlled, or what do you need?
I would need
Oh, on the client.
client on the server to know if
Yeah.
they interact with a party or not.
It only has to be on the server though.
I guess, yeah. Yeah.
So basically, if the party's not controlled, it's a player party.
Yeah.
Okay. What did I do? There we go. So I can actually create a new branch. Did I commit anything since? I don't think I did. So new branch based from development. Settlement debug fix. And these are super annoying. I might reclone to get rid of these, to be honest. Oh, what I can do, hold up, is go to doc here. If I just delete this whole folder, right, and then discard. Still, why? Why? Does this actually like change the files? Kind of don't want to find out. My guess is it's a line ending issue. I don't know. Two new class of tests. I don't think I added any new classes. So I only added where's my commit? What? Oh. See, I only added this class, but this doesn't really need tests. I probably could have one, but I don't think the value's there. It's just an extension method. Okay, that's exactly what I want. Except for this, probably doesn't need this. Let me see if the test pass. Yeah, that might cause issues in the future, but fine for now. Bug fix, yes.
Oh, it's one of these.
How do I test this? Yeah, creating a test for this would actually be a good idea. Game interface test. Services? Is this parties? Kind of mirror the folders and parties a bit. New item. Enter. Wait, which patch is it? Party behavior. Party behavior tests, I guess. And then what we do here is in this patch itself, make this public. No, not this. Which one is it? Is it even in this one? Oh, this one. No? Which one was it? Just mark as draft. Really? The server treats player parties as AI parties. So when the player got close to a settlement, the server would think that the AI was trying to enter this settlement and essentially the server and client both duplicated during the settlement. On leave, the server would infinitely put the enemy settlement since it was close.
Oh, that's so annoying. I think I've been fighting our own patches for like half an hour.
Oh.
We have disabled all the conversations. When
Oh.
we disabled registry events. And I've been trying to find out why there's no conversations.
Because conversations have been disabled, probably.
Yep.
Oh, at least you found this issue now.
Yep, I think so.
Enter and leave settlement actions are now only allowed by controlled party. Can I actually get a file thing? Specifically, where is it? So, whole party registry, not quite. I could have everything pointed to here, to be honest. this one. $95. It's kind of a cool embed. Other information not needed. I need to create a test though. So it's pretty straightforward. Except it's in player encounter patches. I think it's a player encounter though. So yeah, I think in the future we're gonna make all these internal. So now, I can do, I think, I need to call this function basically. I don't know. Yeah, this one, and then we, what is it? Instance helper or something. This one right here. This is an integration test though. Where's this? Common? Aww. I can move this to common actually. Object helper in integration tests. This is now going to common. Paste. There we go. Was it not public? That makes sense. It's only used in one place. Whatever, it's helpful. So now in my test here, then we have a party. We're gonna need a container of sorts. Can I just do? What's like a basic test we got here? Essentially this. I don't think I need this though. Doesn't this do that?
That's so smooth. Nice.
Does this work? Pretty sure this works here. So what do I need? Couple things. Firstly, I want to do this. So now we have a container. Change name convention to actually be consistent with everything. And then do this. Ooh, that's kind of gross, though. Yeah, it's actually disgusting to test.
When I remove a patch or when I return true on a patch, should I just remove it or should I keep it?
You can return void. It can be a void method. Unless I'm misunderstanding your question.
Like the register event patches that we have. You have to return something on them or delete them.
This on the right is all of our files. Like each of these is a class, basically.
But they're a prefix, so we have to either return something or remove them. Make them a postfix. I don't see the reason for that.
Wait, what?
All of our patches?
Yes.
Yes. Do we remove them when we don't need them anymore, or do we keep them just so we...
For like the disable stuff?
Yeah.
You remove it, but I think you only want it happening on the server. So like if you're looking at my...
I need the register conversations things on the client as well.
Oh, you're right.
Needs to have conversation.
Then you can just remove them.
All right.
Just be careful what you remove, because if we remove something that breaks the game, we have no way of tracing it after. Oh my, testing, this is something else. So I don't think I need this actually. Actually don't even need to patch it anyway, but I'm assuming this doesn't do that. That's just for the game, makes sense. So testing static stuff is disgusting. Because all these tests run in parallel. Something else could set the container, and then in the test it'll be different and all broken. There is a way I could prevent it. Static testing, let's figure it out. Set container instead of this. Public static, I don't know, disposable. use container thread safe. Public, not public. It can be an internal thread locker. I don't know. Class safe use. I don't know. High disposable. Like semaphore. Zero, one. Wait, isn't there? I have something else for this. It's under allowed instance. So yeah, here. This allowed instance class has what I need. Slim Sem. Should this be static? Yeah, this will be static. So what we do, I think, is create a constructor, public void use, I guess. Oh, this should be static, private static. And then we don't need this. Then we could just have a constructor here. Constructor sem dot weight. Sem dot release. I actually don't need this class. Actually, we do. I think this is like easier. I think we do it like this, and then what we can do is perfect. So now this is just kind of like a test helper function at the moment. So can I do this? Using does this work? We do need one of these though. So if I pass a container here, what happens? Oh my god, it works. This is crazy. Let me think here. think I can do this. So if we're in a test, or I guess if we're in one of these, we don't want to. Can I just do this? There's probably like some annotation I can use instead, but let's see if that works. So if I do, this will actually block forever, I'm pretty sure. I do want this. Sure, throw party in there. Reference party, specifically. What's the issue with this? Fair. So now if I run this test, okay, so we're here. So I'm gonna step into this. Okay, then I step into here. And then this will never get through, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, now it's just waiting there forever, which is exactly what I want. And then what I can do, should be fine actually. So what I want to do here, it's probably everything I want. Resolve, what do I need? I control ID provider. Bar, and then I want controlled entity registry. This. And I'm pretty sure these should resolve, and then once they resolve, we get entity registry.register existing entity. No, register is controlled. Var, what do we have? String, controller ID equals test ID, whatever. Set controller ID is controller ID. Then we have entity party.
Did we have a simple way to check if the player is, or are you working on that, if it's a player party?
That's super easy on the server.
Yeah, I'm on the server.
It's party dot is controlled equals false.
Like on the mobile party or the party?
Mobile party. It should be an extension method, so
Okay,
let me find it for you. I actually don't, it's probably not in this. It's in the newest merge request I've out. It's not in main yet.
Ah, okay.
It is party controlled. Wait, I'm gonna actually rename that. Oh, I'm still in this branch. One sec. Just realized. Skip method goals. Assert. What is it? Run method. I'll fix these names in a sec here, and then what I can do is assert false. If I don't do any of this. So if I run, these two should pass it. Should in theory. System argument value cannot be null. Oh, fair enough. Why did the second one fail though? Value cannot be null. Ah, fair enough. So now I actually don't need this. I need the build though. Don't think I need this. Does this not set that? Strange. I wonder why it doesn't set that. Oh, there's actually something really nice I can do here. So if I do private disposable container lock, and then what I can do here, container lock is equal to this here, and then what I can also do here, and once this makes it all the way in the bottom here, oh, it didn't. Nice. There we go. And then now I don't need these using statements. And in theory, it should be the same. What is your problem? I'm confused. Oh, okay. Um, this is weird to me that we don't do that for whatever reason. And this will be. I actually have this one first. Uncontrolled party skips method. And then controlled party runs method. Do I want the container? So now I can grab all of this. Do I want game bootstrap? I don't think I do. So hypothetically, if I remove this and make sure that this builds, and then throw all of this stuff into here. Lifetime scope is what it is. Then we dispose, which is simple. And what happens when I run this? Does it still work? Awesome. Now what if I use patch bootstrap instead? This will not allow. Here we go. Now instead of doing all of this garbage, we can and then I don't need this container. See issue? Read only. And I don't like the naming convention on this property. Alright, and this does passes, right? Oh. But I don't understand why. It shouldn't be a lifetime scope, is it? That should work. I think they do basically the same thing. Hey Sid, I think something we want to do before release, oh these are full release, is to have tests for every patch.
Every patch?
The more important patches, I guess.
True.
To make sure they work as expected. I need to make sure that list of his comments. Comment, object helper. New instance of T? It's not C. Oh, what is it to reference stuff in the code? I forget. Ah, here we go. What else do I got that's new? I got patch bootstrap. This party behavior doesn't really... Oh, I did add comments. Awesome. So this new test just had some detailed comments and we're good. I feel like these are good enough. There we go. Does this like say it as test now? I do. I don't think this is needed. I don't know. Maybe it is. This is super annoying here. What to do? All right. Ugh. I'm gonna turn up my fireplace. It's kind of hot.
Yo, what's up, stream?
All right. New goal.
What's the new goal?
I really want to update the way we do controlled stuff. But maybe it's fine for now.
It's weird camera.
I think fixing pausing shouldn't take too long.
Pausing effect?
Like leaving settlement pauses the game.
Oh.
And the encyclopedia also pauses the game.
It doesn't pause the game, but it closes the game, it locks the game, yeah. Only locally.
Well, leaving the settlement
that...
pauses the game on the client, but not the server.
Oh, okay. I see, I see.
This makes sense, but it's not. But it doesn't make sense. So why is this allowed? All right, so what I'm trying to solve is this. Oh, once it loads. Oh, I also need to create an issue. It already exists. Probably doesn't though. Oh, hey, Captain Fracas. Thanks for the raid. I need to create an issue though.
Yeah, the patch, your PR seems to work fine for me.
Nice. Wow, so much love span. I love it.
Yeah.
So there's an issue right now that I may have just forgotten. It's something very important. Oh. Loading save does not load controlled parties, maybe? Let me try it. So here on this is the client, okay. Here on the server, so if I save and exit, then kick me out the client. Yeah, and then I go back in the server. I think there's 2 parties here. Yeah, there are. So now if I join... Okay, it's throwing me into character creation once again. So yeah, okay. So it's not working. Save, load, control, parties. Broken. Currently, when you say game on server and load, when a previously joined client joins, the client is forced to make a new character. Fix the loading for old parties between saves. Between saving and loading. Not applicable. Assign to myself. Probably it'll be me, but yeah, let me fix the pausing quick. So I have no idea why this would be failing, because it sets it right here. Or is this is finish? Okay. That makes sense. So this shouldn't actually... Well, it should tell it to stop, but it shouldn't.
Hello. Oh, it's raid on.
Yo.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo. Does this run now? When did this fail? One test failed the match pattern? Oh. Namespace utils. Oh. That makes sense. But I guess I'm gonna finish my testing while I'm here. So if I go in, so is it paused right now? No, it's still playing. And if I leave the settlement here, oh, it pauses for both. There's one time where it didn't pause for both. If I fast forward here, yeah, we need to enable this for the... Did it pause on both? Okay, it did. What if I go to the settlement? Yeah, okay. So it's working kind of as intended. But we kind of want to disable that, I think.
Yeah.
To disable it, all we have to do is remove this.
Spoiler.
I don't want to do that right now, though. Okay, there's something I was going to check. Oh, yeah, it's simple enough. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought. So this goes away. Save that.
Have you gotten the vertical branch, the arena to work right on?
No, I have not. I actually had a couple of questions about the server.
Yes. Do you have questions prepared?
Yes. So the server console still needs to run with whatever you guys are doing as well?
No.
No. Okay, so that is only for battles?
Yes. That's only to test battles, I guess. Eventually, it will be the server we're running from.
Okay. Oh, and then yeah, so then there is a centralized server that is one instance of the game client.
Yeah, it's just a server console. Yeah, there will be. If that makes sense.
Yeah, but that's aside from the server console. Like the stuff that's happening on the map, that's a single instance of the game that's acting as a server, and the other ones
Yes.
are the client.
The
So,
server console is only for debugging right now. So that,
okay.
yeah, so that console we're doing is just a. Why is it still failing? It's just a, what is it? It's just a lightweight server for, what is it? P2P introduction.
Okay. And client debug 2, is that how you guys are running it now? You got client debug 1, client.
That's if we want 2 client instances.
Oh. Which is what you're testing right now, right? On your instance.
Yeah. You'll still run the client, I guess. But you also run the server console. I forget how that works, actually.
It's server console, client debug, and client debug 2, I think. You run all 3 of those.
Party behavior test. Let's see.
To try with 2 clients, that is.
My client debug isn't configured for the working directory, whatever. So I wasn't sure if you guys were using that. But
Oh,
I'll
we are. I can send you like a picture of that or something.
Okay. I'll just copy what I have for client 1 then, right? Because then all it'll be different is it'll say.
Well, there's a platform ID with that. Change
Flash
that to platform
server.
ID 2 or
Yeah, and
test
I'll
client
change
2.
it. Right. Okay.
Yeah, right here.
No. And then slash server, right? Instead of slash client.
Yeah. Why did that test fail? I'm confused. I should have fixed that. And on top of that,
Shouldn't they both be client in vertical test or arena?
I'm trying to get it up
Yes.
to speed to what you guys are doing, and then I'll do the vertical arena. Sorry. Little
Oh,
confused.
okay. So you're on the develop branch.
I am on develop right now, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Then it's one. Then it's. I see. Then we don't have server console and stuff. Then we only have co-op and client debug.
yeah, for testing you can use that server console.
Oh, there is co-op 2. The co-op core?
No,
No.
just co-op and client debug if you want to run launch it normally
Okay.
with the server and the clients.
Sorry.
In
did you
develop,
finish?
I think that co-op 2, the co-op debug 2, if that exists, is to try it with 3 clients, like 3 or double 2 clients and no server.
Okay. And the messaging broker all the same. The
Yeah,
the dependency injection is all the same. Okay. Peer-to-peer are all the same.
P2P is not the same.
P2P is not this. Did we switch to a different library?
No, we're on the same library, but for this server client, it's server client, not P2P.
Okay. Yes. Okay, good.
Battles will be P2P, but there's also a caveat there where if someone with a strict NAT will have to route it through the server somehow.
Oh, right. For that, there's libp2p, which does that for you. Have you looked into that?
I don't know how easy it'd be to shoehorn in our current framework.
I know. Yeah, it'll probably be a lot of pain to change now. But yeah, I just got exposed to it like a month ago.
I'd have to look at it.
Yeah.
Where's this test that I just made? Heroes. No, parties. Hmm? Integration. Ah, I see. Fair enough. But why did that test fail? Oh, it's just failing here and I'm just not looking, or what? Zero failed. I don't know why the UI is bugged though. Okay. Yeah, now they're all passing, so why did this fail? Is it a different issue? Oh, I see. That's a little concerning. If that becomes a bigger issue, I'll fix it. There you go. Hey, Sid, you have a thing now.
Oh, nice.
Well, I could have renamed it. Whatever. Where is it? Yeah, here's the extension method for that.
Alright, perfect.
Okay. Transpiler time. Oh god. Which class? Player encounter. I could do this on their time actually. The name's a little long. I need this to be public, internal? Ooh. Player encounter. Harmony patch. Name of player encounter dot finish. If anyone here knows programming, this is going to be some of the ugliest, crazy stuff you will ever see. The I enumerable. I think it's that. Helps if I spell it right though. What is it? Method info. Set, I have it copied. Type of, I don't remember what it is. Git method. Actually, it's git property I control mode. I can probably do this a little bit nicer. So if I go here, campaign. I think this is non-public. It is. Wait, it is public. Hold up. So yeah, this as well. Oh. Code instructions, new inserts, bulls. best way to do this? Okay, so I just need to remove these 3 lines. Okay, it should be kind of simple. Index. Find index Q. I don't know what Q means. What does Q mean? I do not understand what this means. I could do this. And search new code instruction. We want the arg of call code ops call opcode. I actually want this to fail if it doesn't find this. If can I do this? Wait, why am I doing this? So an index of search instruction. Wait, what's the overload here? Oh, I see. And then what I want to do is return instructions dot take, I think. Returns a specific contiguous. There's an easy way of doing this. Count is, it would be found index -3, I think. Until, I think. Oh, I see. So there's a dot skip. How do we do this? Oh, I see. Take, it would be, and concatenate instructions dot skip, and I think it's just found index. Whatever, this is just debug code. So then if I do this here, I don't need this. I don't need this. I just return this here. And easy way of testing this is if I set a breakpoint. There we go. Count is null. Interesting. Find index. What is it? Operand is equal to this. Code is equal to code.call. Interesting that it's not detecting it correctly. What's this? Found index should be, what, 3 or something? What? Don't know why this doesn't work. Oh. Oh, so it never finds it. Hold up. So my check's slightly wrong, and I don't know why. Is this null? This might be null. It's not null. Hold up. Instruction. It's call get main party of. So it's this one. So I need to go down quite a bit. 3, 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This next one's the one we want. Oh, it's called virtual, I see. Now we should find it. So if I do those here. Bad label context and I'll okay. That's better than. Okay, we found it. And then if I go here, I can actually look at this. Let's do this better. So now if I look at this, can I not see it? Okay, so I'm looking at what? Set time control. Get encounter mobile party. So I'm looking for get encounter mobile party all the way up to get current, I guess. So I'm pretty sure I'm just one ahead. Get army. So if get main party, wait, I'm too far up, I think. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one is get current campaign. Get current menu context. That looks good to me. Hold up. So what index are we looking at? 10. Oh, I see. Can I do this? And that should, in theory, do it. So if I'm looking here, right? Branch false. to be removed. So -3 here. 1, 2, 3. So this should be. This is still here for some reason. I think we want -4 here. All right, we'll see where it adds a no op. That'll help a lot. Okay, so looking here. No op is here. So I think we're removing one too many now. So here's what we need to do. Remove this. Add a +1 here. And then that should be good. So the one before we're looking for is, oh, this branch. So I'm looking at, what is this? Branch unequal short. So here's the no op. Here's a branch unequal short. Where was that no op at? What? I'm confused. Where's this no op that I added? What? I see the second time control mode. I'm looking at the wrong one. No op. Gain encounter mobile party. I think we're 1, 2. So I'm looking for. This one's good here, but I think we're, yeah, we're one too many on this. So -2, I guess. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Did you fix that, Radon? The one you sent? Huh.
No op. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh, hold up. Make Alberta do this, but whatever. I don't need this. I could probably actually do. Then I can do this here and then remove this, and now it's 4 lines. If I run this, it works. Okay, now if I test this. So essentially what I did is I deleted this line. So now if I leave, it still pauses? Why? Why do you pause? Game's paused. That is very strange. Here should work. That is weird why that didn't work. So I got rid of this line. I could actually try something. Name of this is super important, but just for testing. So we have two things: private static hash set of ints, I think. Allowed threads. What's that? I can also make the name better. Disallowed threads. So here, public allow call Thanks for the sub patters. Disallow call. And then we have basically same thing here. Naming here is kind of confusing though. So now my idea of using this. It's just kind of a proof of concept right now. So for example, want the same thing here. I think approaching 3-ish years now. I forgot when I started. These names are so confusing. But one thing at a time, quick here. Where is it? Patches. Time patches. If. That should, in theory, work. Unless it's called on a different thread, but it doesn't look like it. There's already quite a bit of hype behind the project. Kind of got used to the pressure. Okay, so in theory it shouldn't stop. In theory, leave. It still stops, but on the server it's still going. It's very weird. So if I go in, then I leave, I pause. I have to look through this log here. Runtime type. Strange. Right now I'm trying to, so when you leave a settlement it pauses for some reason, and I'm trying to just make it so it doesn't do that. Activate game menu. Time will continue as long as there's players on the main map, but it'll be limited to 1x speed. And wait, exit last. Activate game menu. Loggers. Sack trays. Okay. Oh, what I want to do is Or is it? I have an idea. A good idea while I'm sitting here waiting. Or is it? It's here. And what I want to do, private static. Oh, what do I want to do with this? Start. What do I want to do with this? There's an easy way of doing this. It's task completion source. Whatever integer. I don't know. True, I guess. It doesn't matter that much. How do we do this? What's the issue with this? Oh. It's not that, it's... What am I doing? Man, I can't wrap my head around this. So I just want a delay. And I've gotten this complicated. I think... What's the issue with this? Fair enough. Okay, so we start a new timeout here. And this will throw an error if there's a timeout. B sharp task catch can task cancellation. Oh, I see. has been locked or greater than. Name of, looking at only uncancelled. I think that's what I want. What's the issue? Oh. I think that also works. Actually, this doesn't matter where it gets set. So now if I run this, I can test this pretty easy. So this one should. Okay, so here, it's in here. This should get hit. This one, yeah, this one. Debug. Hmm. That's confusing to me. That's not the wrong one, is it? Oh, it is the wrong one. Well, it's running, so that's good. Row exception. Timeout exception. So now if I run these, it will fail. Very strange.
Yoke, do you know anything about this radon issue? Yes?
Uh,
Contribute. Oh.
seems like it's an issue with the NuGet packages.
Yeah, it seems to be fixed. Or somewhat fixed at least.
Oh.
Works for now.
Oh, those game interface couldn't be found. That's not an issue.
Yeah.
There should be like an actual error somewhere in there.
Hey, you can get only those. I do that. I get that sometimes.
What's the most recent issue? It's just missing dependencies. So we're good now?
Yeah, it seems like we're good. Hopefully.
I'm out. I wonder what I know the exact way of doing this. What is this word? This should work. I'm passing this token, which takes this timeout, which is milliseconds, so that's 5 seconds. So why? Too complicated, I'm over it.
Okay.
Okay, so what I want to look at is in here. And I leave, and then there should be a... Hmm? So it's not being paused correctly? Confusing. Well, it is the speed up multiplier. That's 4 times. I'm confused. So this is only assigned by this. This is set by a lot of stuff actually, but... It's almost done. All right. Stop. Why is this under heroes? Before tick. Doesn't give me like the... Before tick. What? It's not in here. Oh, here it is. What does this set the time speed here? Wait a minute. Set time speed. I think I want to patch this. Or do I? Where the time control's at. Oh, this is where it happens? Maybe not. stoppable play. Oh, what I can do is just disable all the other ones. So to do that, map time control VM. Okay. We have this, and then we want harmony prefix, I guess. I don't even know if this is public. It's private. So here's what I do. So now this is that. Pretty sure I can get rid of this. I think that fixes it.
What's the formatting for the platform ID in the command line argument? Oh, you're not here.
I am here.
Oh, you are here.
I'm just thinking of what you just said.
The formatting of the platform ID.
It's just a string, just as long as there's not a space.
Is that only required when you have more than one client? Because I don't have
Yes.
it in my argument. Okay, yeah. How was it again? Is it just a string? Like
It's slash platform ID space and then some string.
okay, yep. All right, thank you.
Then if you do two clients, you want them unique. So.
Huh?
If you have two clients, you want them unique from each other.
Yeah. All right. Perfect.
Kind of sick of having to create a character every time. For some of the alpha and beta releases, the mod will remove some functionality from the game. I paused it. I can't pause it from here. Why does it still pause here? I don't get that. Does it still run though? Hold up. Maybe it's just running, but it's paused. It says it's paused. But it's still paused for me. I don't know why. It freaks out. That doesn't make sense to me. Yeah, we're not accepting donations right now. Once we have something playable, of course. We'll peruse the idea. I'm a bit confused why it's still being called. Did I get rid of that debug line? I think I did. This goes here, this goes here. And this goes here. Let me check if this is actually the issue. I feel like it should work. Oh, hold up, let me check. Oh, 1 second here. Pretty sure YouTube doesn't allow donations at the moment, at least for my channel, which is kind of what I want. What does that intercept, I guess? Time control mode setter. I'm confused. I'm probably just going insane. I'm unable to unpause right now. It's kind of expected. Yeah, that completely pauses the game. Okay. I don't know why this one's so difficult. I guess I could check with this here. Shouldn't be too hard to do. Alright, so if I enter here, right? Wait, what happened? Oh, it's loading still. Then you update that, so it just puts me in a party. So now if I put a breakpoint here, I guess. And then what do? I just leave. Didn't hit the breakpoint. Okay, so it's not that function which is pausing it, I guess. Continue. So hitting leave pauses the game. That's super confusing. Simply because this is the only place campaign time speed can change, and that's what I'm putting my breakpoint in. Let me look. On player encounter finish. I removed it from here. Finish encounter internal. What does this do? Set move hold or something? I don't know. Nope. Leave settlement maybe does something. Maybe it's this? Oh, I closed it. Oh my god, it's Enjoy. That's fine. Now here. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. So I go here, I click play, this'll... Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. This goes here. Hit play. Hits that, hits that, hits that. Now I'm in the settlement. I click leave. And it's just paused. Ah. Okay. I think I'm gonna wrap up the stream here. Next stream will be... could be next weekend, actually. Oh yeah, we're doing a test. Is that next weekend? Yeah, that is next weekend. Yeah, so we're gonna have a private test next weekend for the mod. And I will probably stream it. Yeah, most likely. So, yeah. Next weekend will be the weekend in which I stream again. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you soon. Have a good night and or day, everyone. See ya.